Okay, Ms. Borgman, I hope that I'm saying that correctly. Let me double check here. Yes. All right. If that's not right, email me and let me know, or check in with me. So let's go ahead and go on a tour of what is left in the class. For me, I think that our key component is to start right here in the Unit 5 digital notebook. It should give you a copy of that whenever you open it up. I assume you've been added. Yes. Okay. So then we go to classwork. When you open this up, the directions for each slide are on the left. Here is your study guide. It's also been assigned as an assignment. I'll show you where that's at in just a second. And then, boom, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. Drag and drop. This is how this works. Once you read about them, you're going to drag and drop life in here because people are alive in a state of nature. People are alive in a social contract. All the rest of these get drag and drop onto this Venn diagram. Then you describe to me what is a state of nature and what is a state of war. How are they similar? How is government similar to a social contract? And then you got these agree and disagrees. You're going to drag them over to the quotes. Which ones did Hobbes and Locke agree and disagree on? And then there's a reading that helps you. So this reading right here, why government, click on it. That's what's going to give you the answers. And then you explain to me why they disagreed in this box right here. Next thing I need you to do is you're going to go to Google Classroom. You're going to watch this super long video that rambles on and on a little bit. If there are any problems playing the video, please send me an email and let me know, and I'll get it fixed for you. But that should be able to give you the background on each one of these folks. And then whenever you're looking at the video itself, like if it goes too fast or you want to use the presentation, everything that you need to know is in purple and gold here. So whenever you look at these folks, right, everything for the Bulldogs is something that you should add to your notes. And this should be highlighted in purple. Well, okay. All right. And so then read about each one of these guys and add your notes right here into the summary. Lots of students like to copy and paste those. Bottom line is get the information, get it into your notes. This is your digital notebook. The next slide, same as. We're going to go through all these folks. And then why might these ideas matter to you, period, S, period. Talk about like why that actually matters to us. Okay. And then whenever we get into the political positions, this one's been moved around a little bit. It's my demo. But you're going to take the little heads. You should have little heads right here and right here, and drop them on the spectrum. So like Hobbes is all the way to the right. He believes in absolute monarchy. Okay, and no, he does not fit on our political spectrum. This is our political spectrum down here. So he's over everything else. Okay, Rousseau is a left guy. Locke is a right guy. This is where America is, and Mary Wollstonecraft is right in the center. Okay, so just kind of think those out. If you get stuck on any of that, let me know. All right, and then the last thing is here is an advertisement. An advertisement and a website. What I'd like for you to do is just take a look at these websites. These are how our government officials organize themselves, and I'd like for you to be looking because we're making the connection between salons, social gatherings, and wealthy homes where philosophers discuss their works, and the internet. Essentially, where we discuss our information is on the internet today, but at this time during the Enlightenment, people were doing it in salons. So just wanted to make those connections. And then the next thing that I need you to be working on is your study guide, which is going to go ahead and get posted tomorrow. It should also be down here. Okay, here is your study guide. So you click on it. You have a copy of it, so you space it out. You type the answers after you get your notes. And then whatever questions you have here, send them to me. I'm going to exempt your assignments for this round. So that you can just kind of get on the ground and run in here at the end of the semester. We'll take the final and see how it goes and then adjust from there. The final is next Thursday. I'm sorry it took me so long to get this to you, but we've been cranking away on a project, and I wasn't quite sure how to get you caught up or not or wherever, whenever you joined in. So hope this video finds you well. I'm going to get it uploaded and send it to you in an email. And then if you have any questions, please just email me back, or we have a Zoom. Every day we go 8:35 on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. And that information is up here in the course materials. So you have the assignment guide. That'll walk you through the assignments, which you don't need. It has the KSD Connect. So when you click on the syllabus, here's the Zoom link, meeting ID, so on and so forth. And then class bell ringers, don't worry about those. Let's just get you ready to take the test. So digital notebook for Unit 5 and study guide for Unit 5. So that is the lay of the land. And again, if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.